Hi friends, John Haverstick here. A couple of folks had inquired about the flash on a stick arrangement that we used over the weekend at the Missions and Models workshop. First of all, what it allows you to do is to mount a speedlight or any other type of small lighting accessory on a painter's extension pole so that you can put that exactly where you need it to go. This is a Shur-Line painter's extension pole. I particularly like this brand because it's got a one button release to extend and retract the pole instead of a screw collar. But in order to mount your light on there, you need an adapter to fit the light fixture to the standard thread on the painter's pole. So it requires this. This is the Kacey Pole Adapter. I'll put a link to it in the notes below. And all it does is it threads onto the thread on the end of the painter's pole. What that does is then gives me a 5/8 inch stud that is standard for all lighting fixtures. So for example, I have a speed light mounted on an umbrella swivel adapter here, and that just fits right on that 5/8 stud. Tighten it down. And now, with the push of a button, I can put my flash anywhere I need it to go. These painter's poles come in a variety of lengths. This is a shorter one. I have a longer one as well. It goes out to about 12 feet. But this allows me to get that light exactly where I want it. It's perfect. All right, flash on a stick. There you go.